Good morning, my daughters. How are you today? I missed you so much. Today is Tuesday, 6th of October 2020. We are going today, inshallah, to work on page 18. We are going to finish what we have started yesterday. I want you to open your books, page 18, please. Write the date and the day up on detective work. We are going to do exercise 4, 5, and 6 and 7, okay? Please focus with me because we have very important vocabs or words that we are going to deal with them in this exercise especially. We have taken these from the beginning, but I'm going to revise them with you, okay? And in each sentence, we are going to see the meaning of each word, okay? Now, look at number 4. We have detective work, okay? Complete the definitions with these words. What do you mean definitions? The meanings. We have accuse, analyze, arrest, charge, collect, investigate, prove, and question. Okay? Look at number 1. Please, your pencil and your book with me. We have the first sentence. Look at this one. When detectives investigate a case, they try to find out what really happened. Okay? They want to investigate to know what happened really, okay? Now, again, when detectives investigate, number 1 is investigate a case, they try to find out what really happened. Let's move to number 2. When detectives a suspect, they ask them things, which is question. Questions means ask, okay? Again, when detectives question a suspect, okay, they are asking him a question, they ask them things. Deal? Number 3, when detectives a suspect, they take them to a police station because they think they have done something bad. Which one of this one? It's the word arrest. Again, when detectives arrest a suspect, they take them to a police station because they think they have done something bad. Okay, number 4. Let's go to number 4. When detectives a suspect with something, they make an official statement that they think the suspect did something bad. Okay, again, of course, the word will be charge. Legally accused, charge. Again, when detectives charge a suspect, okay, with something, they make an official statement that they think the suspect did something bad. Okay, Mama, let's move to number 5. Look at number 5. When detectives are suspect of something, they say that they did something bad. Okay, this word will be accuse. Okay, again, when detectives accuse a suspect of something, they say that they did something bad. Let's go to number 6. We have when detectives evidence, they get DNA or something that can help to show that somebody did something bad. The word is collect. Again, when detectives collect evidence, they get DNA or something that can help to show that someone did something bad. Okay, let's move to number 7. We have number 7. When detectives something, they give evidence or proof that something is true. The word is prove. Okay, prove is the verb and proof under it, the line under it, it's the noun. Here, prove, we are going to write the verb. If you notice all of this exercise, all the words are verbs. Be careful. I'm going to repeat it. When detectives prove something, they give evidence or proof that something is true. Let's move to the last one, number 8. When detectives analyze evidence, they study it in detail. Again, when detectives analyze, okay, evidence, they study it in detail. Okay, they research it. Now, let's move to number 5. This is very important exercise. Look at me. All the words in 4 are verbs. Okay, guess the noun of from each word. Remember, be careful that some nouns forms are identical to the verb form. Now, I wrote it for you here. For example, he wrote for you, look at this one. Verb, question, and also the noun question. Verb accuse, also the noun, the noun is accusation. I wrote them for you here. We have the word accuse, accusation. I wrote them in order from here, from the box, okay? If you have your sticky note, I want you to write them down on sticky note because we are going to also to answer the next one. We have accuse, accusation, okay? Analyze, analysis. It's a noun. This is the verb. I'm going to write for you the noun and the verb. 1 minute. This is the, look at me. This is the verb. Oh la la, the green is wonderful. This is the verb and this is the noun. Verb, analyze, analysis, noun. Arrest, verb, arrest, noun. Okay? Charge, verb, and charge also noun. It will stay the same. Collect, verb, collection, noun. Okay? Investigate is the verb. Investigation is the noun. Prove, the verb. Okay? And prove, the noun. Question, the verb, and question also noun. Okay? This is a very nice question and it's very important to you. Okay? I'm going to take 1 minute to erase the board and continue with you. Okay, my daughters? 1 minute. Now, I'm back again, my daughters. Look at me. We have 7A. Okay? We're going to put these stages of detective work in an order that seems logical to you. I'm going to read them scattered, then we're going to order them. After that, we're going to move to study skills. Okay, I left it to the rest. Okay, now to the end. Now look at, we have analyze the evidence, investigate the case, charge the suspect, question the suspect, arrest the suspect, and collect evidence. We're going to order them in a logical order. Look at this one. Number 1. Look at this number 1. Bismillah. By the name of Allah. Look at this one. We have, is it clear for you? Okay. Now, the first one, we're going to investigate the case. We're going to investigate the case. Then, we're going to collect evidence. Okay? Collect evidence. Then, we're going to analyze this evidence. We're going to research, analyze. Okay? Number 4, we're going to question the suspect. The person who is maybe accused to that he did this something bad. Then, number 5, we are going to arrest the suspect if he's really did this bad thing. Then the last one, we're going to charge the suspect, which means legally accused. Okay, the last step or the last stage is charge the suspect. Now I want you to go, mama, to page 146, please. Open your books with me. 146. We are going to read. Look here. We have unit 2. Okay. Vocabulary using a dictionary. Dictionaries are very useful. Please open your books. Okay, mama, stay with me. Your pencils with you. Yeah. Now, we have dictionaries. What are we going to read about? Oh, I forget to read it with you. 1 minute. We are going to read about what? Look here. Look. Why it is good here. Why it's good to guess information about words before you look them in a dictionary. Okay? Why you are, when you guess, it will help you to take information. Look at this. We are going to read this one. Look, dictionaries are very useful. Here are some ideas for using them well. First, you can't always have a dictionary with you. This is correct. Okay? For example, in exams, you can't hold it. Okay? Don't depend on the dictionary too much. First, guess the word. Okay? You are going to guess the word and then use your dictionary to check. For example, when you saw the word investigate, you guessed, for example, that he's going to ask, he's going to make research, for example. Okay? This is maybe the close meaning to investigate. The next one, when you are reading, don't use the dictionary to look up every word you don't know. This is correct. When you have a text or something or a sentence, you shouldn't look for every word. You can get the whole meaning maybe from one or two words, okay? You don't need to understand every word in the text. Look at me, you don't need to understand every word in a text to do the exercises or to understand the general meaning. Only look for words which appear important or appear frequently. This tells you when you find in a text some words that you cannot understand, don't look to each word. You can get the words, for example, in bold, the words that they are repeated. You can get the meaning of these words and you can understand the whole meaning of the text. Okay? Now, don't just look at the first definition for a word. That's correct. We have many words that have many meanings, okay? Many English words, look at this one, have very different meanings. Look at them all and choose the right one for your context. That's correct. When you, for example, we have the word arrest. You can find it in many meanings, in many, word form. Sometimes it's a verb, sometimes it's a noun. What do you want to get or take the meaning that you need in the context? Not any meaning, okay? Now, the last one, don't just think about the meaning of the word that you look up. Deal? Think also about the type of a word that I mentioned before. The type of the word and the form of the word, spelling, and the other words it often goes with. For example, you want to look for a word, you have to look at the form of it, the spelling of it. Okay, for example, here, charge. Charge, we can say that it is a verb or a noun. I opened to find the meaning of charge, I had many meanings, okay? But the meaning that suits me or the context was to be legally accused. Okay, mama? That's all for now. Thank you for being with me today. I hope you enjoyed the class. May Allah bless you all, you and your parents. Thank you very much and see you later. Goodbye. Love you all, my daughters.